G'day. So if you've clicked on my thumbnail, you're wondering just how did that steel band appear around the edge of that bowl as an embellishment. It wasn't easy, I can tell you. I tried several different things, and I won't bore you with the details, but eventually I came up with mixing some epoxy resin, small quantity, around about an ounce, and pouring stainless steel powder into that epoxy to make a very thick, putty-like substance. Having channeled out a groove 1/2 inch 3/8 deep, and you just simply push the putty into that groove and let it dry overnight. Bring it back on the lathe, turn it down and make it nice and smooth, as you'll see. Now the trick here was to try and finish off the outside of the bowl. I ended up having some polyurethane clear varnish from spray can and applied about six to 8 coats of that, and let that also dry overnight. All turned out pretty well, actually. As you can see here, the band really does finish off the outside of the bowl, as you'll see as we progress a little bit further. Now, I've sanded back to around 320 grit using axe finishing paste, and then sprayed the polyurethane layers on the outside. Hiding out the bowl, just use the bowl gouges to take out the material, Hercules tool to make that job a lot faster. Now as I progressed a little bit further, I came across a fairly large knot in the edge of the bowl that was pretty well punky type wood, so I had to remove it. Then I just mixed up some gold tinted epoxy and left it to dry overnight, filling the void on the inside. I did want to fill that because if the bowl was going to hold any substances for food, etc., it would not be good to have the void fill with that. So it's got to be plugged. Used a negative rake carbide scraper just to finish off that epoxy. I find using bowl gouges it tends to catch on the epoxy filler, so the negative rake finishes that off pretty well. And then the inside of the bowl I just used the axe finishing paste and polish, so it gave a little contrast to the outside of the bowl. Pretty well turned out. Looking pretty well. I did use the axe paste and polish on the outside of the polyurethane clear varnish. Gave a bit of a shine. Taking the foot off now, just using the 3/8 bowl gouge on a pull and a push cut. And again, axe polish and paste. And then take it over to the drill press to put the maker's badge on the bottom to finish it off. Have some shots of the bowl at the end of this video. If you've liked this, please smash the like button. If you want to follow me in this channel, please subscribe. Appreciate all my subscribers following me on this channel. Should be having another one coming out next week. Until then, cheers guys.